It is 6:30 a.m. The sun is rising, and we are heading towards the gym.
Woo-hoo, to the gym.
In today's video, we are going to be getting our lives together because there's a lot to get done.
To get our life in a short amount of time.
Yeah, because we have to go to work at 2.
You never know how many hours are in a day until you really realize.
Yeah, so we have a lot of stuff to get done to get our lives together, and we're just gonna vlog everything. So yeah. Stay tuned.
Unfortunately, I can't run or do any hard physical activity because I have to go to physical therapy for my back and because I have a concussion. Alright vlog, sorry for the abrupt ending. There was a cop.
There's a cop. Don't want to get pulled over.
And we are not fond of cops. So me and her are always scared of cops.
Oh yeah.
Every time I'm driving at night, everybody's a cop to me.
Same.
Straight up. But yeah, we're off.
Yep, guys. So today's going to be a very productive day. The thing I'm looking most forward to is I'm getting my nails redone today. That's going to be super fun. Dance. Yeah. Hey.
Work out.
First thing to do, oh my gosh, see, this is why I need to get my life together clearly. Okay, so the first thing we need to do to get our lives together is get gas. Kind of low.
Oh my god.
Very low.
Yeah,
so
we're gonna
that is
break down on the
1.
We're breaking down on the side of the road here soon.
So we're gonna get gas.
And get some gas. Don't know what. Oh, stopping at Stinkers.
Oh, and also, guys, if you guys can tell, this isn't my car. I don't think they knew what my car looks like anyways. But my car got towed. You know, maybe we'll do a story time in this video.
Do a story time, but that's later.
And that's how Nick has a concussion, just so you guys know.
And I have back problems.
And he has back problems and has to go to physical therapy. But anyways, since we're here, we're gonna like throw away some trash that's here. So, getting our lives together. Alright, next piece of trash. Just kidding.
Filling up some gas right now because we're a little low.
Kind of really low. Throwing away more trash. Okay guys, I think we are done grocery shopping.
I think so. Guys, you never know how much grocery shopping really is until you've grabbed everything and you realize, oh look, 82 cents for carrot.
Wow!
What a deal, y'all.
What a deal.
That's a steal if I've ever heard it. But starting to eat healthy, guys. Look, we got all our stuff ready to make some dinners. Got some raspberries in here because she loves her raspberries.
Okay guys, so we have the worst luck. The insert slot is jammed. This happened to us before and we had to wait like 30 minutes. So that's super awesome. I'm going to unload all the groceries and Nick is going to make us lunch.
Yes.
So,
got her sandwich. I got her hummus. And she told me to cut this and grab a cutie. Bro.
Yep, there you go. He's listening today, guys. He's listening. Today's a good day.
It is a good day.
in the laundry. So I'm gonna go do that.
You gonna go do that real quick, and then I'll put your food on the table,
and I'll have lunch.
And you'll have lunch.
Share with the vlog what we have for lunch.
I cut up pitas into little squares, and I got some sandwich that we bought. It's pretty cheap. And then I got her a cutie, which is over there because she's a cutie.
Cringe.
All right, and then we got some hummus right here.
Guys, the funniest thing about all this, he cut these really small. We don't even have plates. Like, why didn't you serve it in plates? Like, there's plates over there.
Because it's easier.
There's plates over there.
And I don't have to throw away the plate, and I don't have to use a plate. I could just use a.
All right, and then I guess I'm not gonna have anything to drink because there's nothing on the table.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Guess who just did the worst thing that they possibly could? She ate before she prayed. Are you kidding me?
All right, here you go.
All right, thank you God for this food that we're about to eat. Blessed in the name of Jesus. Amen.
Amen. Hey guys, so today is day 2 of getting our lives together. So we went to the gym. I just showered.
Yeah,
Nick got ready, went home and got ready.
Yep.
Now we are making breakfast.
Making some food while we're at it.
But I'm gonna do my makeup, and then we're gonna film like us planning the rest of our week, filling out our planners, our to-do list, all that good stuff.
All that goodies.
But guys, look what Nick surprised me with today. Are you kidding?
She's been doing so good at the gym. I have to.
Aww.
Because she was doing so good at the gym.
Guys, I've been going to the gym lately,
and she's been eating right, and she's been really good, and I'm really proud of her. So it's story time. So the reason why I can't work out is because my back hurts all the time. I think I have a concussion is because we were driving home. I was driving, literally we're like about to get into like the stoplight so we can turn by her house. And this lady was on the other side, and she was trying to turn in, and I guess she didn't see us, right? And she just was going, and she was on this side, and I was going like 45 miles per hour, so I was going pretty fast. And so she just decided to just go and just turn into us, and I was like trying to get like swerve so I didn't hit her. Or, well, I didn't hit her, she hit me. But, so I wouldn't get hit, and she still kept going, and she hit me completely.
yeah, I don't know, like she wasn't paying attention. I don't know what happened, but like literally, she didn't even stop. She just went right into us. Nick's the only one that got hurt because she literally just hit the driver's door.
Yeah, it was on my side.
And now he has physical therapy for three days a week. Mm-hmm. My car's totaled. I literally got this car like 2.5 months ago. I don't know. Like, I still haven't even gotten my plates on it. They were still temporary plates. Mm-hmm. So that's how my life's going.
At least we're good.
We're safe. We're
alive.
Nick's in pain.
I'm in a lot of pain.
Could have been worse.
It really, honestly, could have, because she was just, I don't know what she was doing, but I mean.
Guys, don't mind my hydro flask. If you guys saw our Visco video,
she just put stickers all over that.
I haven't taken them off because I'm lazy.
Yeah.
Check out this nice montage of me putting my flowers in a vase.
Shine on me, shine on me. Shine on me, shine on me. I've been going out of my head. I've been away.
Guys, here's the final product. Looks kind of, I don't know how to make those, so don't judge me on that one. Work on it.
I'm over here.
Yeah, Nick's washing dishes. I don't know how to do a cute bow, so that's the cutest it's gonna get. Nice and pretty, nice little cute vase. Crappy bow, but you know, this is gonna look really cute in my room. Okay, so right here, I have everything to get my life together.
I do too.
His planner. Show him your planner, it's so nice.
Guys, look at my planner. It says 2020.
So what I have is I have a to-do list that I have to fill out once again, a planner, and then another planner. So basically, I love planning things. I love having my life organized. And lately, I have felt like my life has just been a hot mess because I haven't like took the time to sit down and like plan everything out. So that's why this video is getting our lives together.
It's true. Yep.
So, and I also got, okay, so this is already filled out, but this isn't for this week. This was for last week. It's a to-do list. I also got some new ones because I like to do that. So this is like a nice little thing. It has every day of the week for stuff for you to do. And then I also have this one, and it's just like blank, but there's like check mark boxes on it, if you can see that. I don't know if you can. So a thing that helps our lives is we have a Google Calendar together. Mm-hmm. And we also need to update that today.
Yeah, we're updating our Google
because then you get like a notification on your phone of what's popping. If you guys need some school supplies, I would say now is the time to go. Because most of the stores, their stuff is on clearance because back to school season's already passed.
It's already
so, like,
out.
It's already out. So all their things are on sale. Like everything's on clearance. Like I got like Sharpies, like a whole, what was it, like a 20 pack?
Yeah, a 20 pack of Sharpies.
For like $3 at Walmart. So like, yeah. And then I got these yesterday at Office Max. And they were also on sale. So right now is the time. First things first, what should we do?
First things first on the to-do list. Our to-do list for this week.
So today is Thursday, so should we do Thursday to Thursday or Thursday to Sunday?
Thursday to Thursday. To-dos for Thursday to Thursday.
So.
So I think you should share your to-dos first because you have a lot of them.
Okay guys, so we changed our mind. We decided to do, so today's Thursday. We're going to do our to-do list from Thursday to Sunday because it's a lot easier from doing Thursday to Thursday because there's a lot going on from now to next Thursday. We both did a to-do list on here. If you guys can see here. You're holding it the wrong way.
Oh, I'm sorry. My bad.
Okay, so we have our to-do list, right? If you guys can see that. Mm-hmm. And then there's another notepad, and it's like things to do for each day. So everything that we have from our to-do list, we're going to transfer it onto here and fill out from Thursday to Sunday to show exactly what we're going to be doing each day. Because obviously we cannot do this entire to-do list in one day. Yeah. So we're going to split them up and put what day we're going to do each thing. Okay, so on my to-do list I have film VAs and edit VAs, which means video announcements for my church. And then a film a YouTube video.
Which we're doing that right now.
Doing that now. And then edit, upload YouTube video.
This video that you're watching right now.
The video that you are watching right now, this very second, was recorded the same day you are seeing this and was edited the same day you're seeing this. Stress. I have to do real estate math 1. If you guys don't know, we're taking a real estate course and we have to do section 1 of math by Sunday. And then my intern meeting on Friday, so I have to go to a meeting on Friday. And then my Huddles Bible plan, so I'm doing a Bible plan. So I'm a small group leader for middle school girls at our church, and our small group is called Huddles, and we're doing a Bible plan. So I have to make sure I'm keeping track of that. And then my next to do is to pick a new Bible plan for them to do by Sunday. Then I have to do laundry, clean my room. I have to do Nick's sermon graphics. And then I have to do a spreadsheet for work. I have to keep up to date with my mentor book because I'm in a mentorship program. So I'm doing that. We have to upload 3 TikToks because we are on that trend now, guys. Follow our TikTok at
Crystal&Nick.
Mm-hmm. Then we have to go grocery shopping.
Alright, so on my to-dos, they're a lot shorter because I totally forgot and spaced out. So basically everything that she has, we do together.
Yeah.
So that's why you didn't change mine. But mine for myself is real estate math 1. Like she said, we do real estate together. Practice my sermon till Sunday night, so just keep going over it consistently so I have it memorized so I don't have to read off my paper.
Can you give us like a nice little preview of what your sermon is, since they're not going to be seeing your sermon?
It's called Real versus Fake. That's all I'm giving you guys. Because maybe she'll record it and maybe we'll
it'll be on Monday's video.
Maybe we'll put it on Monday's video. Maybe it'll be cool.
That'd be kind of cool.
Yeah, I'm down for that. And then we have going over my media kit for work. Just constantly under like, because I sell advertisements, so I have to go over what I'm selling, basically. So I want to get better in knowing that. Upload this video, edit this video, because we edit half and half.
Yeah.
So I want to edit my half, finish that by at least by today.
Yeah, within like 2 hours.
Within like 2 hours of filming this. And then film 3 TikToks, like she said. Internship meeting, like she said, we're both interns. I'm an intern student pastor for my church. Read my Bible plan. I also am a leader for a group of Huddle kids, middle school and high school boys. So we're reading out of Proverbs. So I need to do that. I want to hand out 5 business cards by the end, 5 to 10 business cards by the end of the weekend to small businesses so that they know who I am. If they ever want to call to get some advertisement. And then my graphic design, she's going to help me with that. Because I'm not very, I know how to do graphic design, but she's better at it than I am. And then read 2 chapters of our library books that we got. So, we went to the library, got some books, want to get smarter.
As you guys can see, we have a lot of stuff from Thursday to Sunday, and this is kind of stressing me out. Basically, everything that's on our to-do list, we're going to put on here from Thursday to Sunday to like break the thing, like no.
To break it up, yeah.
To break it up what we're doing.
Yeah.
So, we'll get back to you guys.
So stay tuned. Peace.
Alright guys, so we just got done finishing our sheets. Don't judge both of our handwritings, because they're both kind of rough. So, I would recommend doing this. What do you think?
I think so too, because now I know exactly what I have to do for Thursday, exactly what I know what I have to do for Friday, Saturday, and look at Sunday. Preach it.
Preach it.
Boom.
But yeah, guys, I think this is a really good way to know exactly what you have to get done and then exactly what days to do it, so you don't get overwhelmed with your to-do list, because like it's a lot of stuff to do, but when it's like that, it makes it less stressful, honestly. Right?
Oh yeah.
Because at first it seemed like a lot, but now when you break it up, it doesn't seem like you have to do as much. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video of us getting our lives together and organizing everything.
And if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And if this helped you or motivated you, please put it in the comments and like the video. And maybe we'll do more for you guys.
Yeah, because we both really like the whole organizational thing. Well, mostly me.
Yeah, mostly her. I'm not very organized. But please, if this helped you guys or motivated you in any way,
give this video a thumbs up. Let us know. We'll do more videos like this, or like filling out our planners in Google Calendar. We can show you guys how we do that.
Yep.
And or if you guys just like
seeing our faces in us planning stuff, give it a thumbs up.
And we'll do some more videos. So we'll see you guys on Monday's video.
Peace out.